In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide likes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. And now if you want to hide the likes on your own post, you can do it for each individual post. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily do so. So first off, I'm gonna tap right here to go to my profile. After that, we need to go to the post on which we would like to hide likes. As you can see now, this post liked for 19 times. Here we have 19 likes actually, and if we would like to hide the number or the counter of these likes, we just need to tap right here at three dots, and here we can easily find the option hide like count. I'm gonna tap on it, and now as you can see, the number of likes has been successfully hidden. And if you would like to hide likes on another post, then you need to repeat the same actions for that post. If you would like to hide likes on someone else's posts, then first off you need to go to your profile page. Then tap at these three lines to go to settings and activity. And here we are looking for the option like and share counts. That's where we can easily hide the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts simply by turning this option on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.